I'm Jeff Hamilton from Columbus and Overgroup, and this is Unit 301 at 1280 Washington Street in the South End.
This unit was beautifully renovated in 2015 with premier finishes throughout. The center of this 2,100 plus square foot condo is the kitchen in a chic and contemporary style. Lacquered cabinets decorate the space with an oversized Thermador refrigerator in the center. Dual Miele ovens and an induction cooktop add luxurious utility. The signature living area is framed by a wall of built-ins. A northerly facing wall of windows allows light to spill into the open floor plan throughout the day. There's plenty of room for a large dining table with more built-ins for additional storage on the side wall. Pass through a door into the bedroom wing, where we find the crown jewel of the unit, its master suite. An enormous wall of built-ins adds a pragmatic approach to storage in a room that feels palatial. The grass-cloth wallpaper and Carrara marble bath add to the luxurious and relaxing atmosphere that this room creates. A large second and third bedroom complete the unit, accommodating family living or additional flexibility for office or creative use. The single-floor nature of this unit has made for a superbly efficient floor plan with 2.5 baths servicing the 3 bedrooms. We look forward to hearing from you if you'd like to learn more about 1280 Washington and Unit 301. Please call or text to inquire, and thank you for touring with us.